Want to make multiple characters talk in the same video?
Hi everyone, I'm the first speaker. Let's get this started.
I'm here too, ready to test this multi-avatar animation.
This is so cool. Look how smoothly the lips sync.
I've never seen an AI animate 9 people at once before.
Yes, you can animate every face in a single image, all talking with perfect lip sync. And it only takes a few minutes. Let me show you how. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. Click the link in the description to download HitPaw Edimakor and open it. Create a new project to get started. Step 2. Open the Talking Avatar tool. Click AI Avatar, then select Talking Photo. Here, choose the second option called Dialogue. Now upload any image that has multiple faces. HitPaw Edimakor automatically detects every face in the image, no manual work required. It supports up to 10 faces and works with both anime characters and real-life people. Step 3. Animate each face separately. Click on any face to start animating. Type in the dialogue you want, then select a voice. The voice library includes 120 plus languages, multiple accents, and male-female options. If you want to clone your own voice, you can watch the tutorial for guidance. You also have the option to upload pre-recorded audio or record a new one directly here. Do the same for all the faces in the picture. You can switch the faces or add extra dialogue too. Once everything looks good, click Generate. In just a few minutes, your video with fully lip-synced talking characters will be ready.
Hi everyone, I'm the first speaker. Let's get this started.
I'm here too, ready to test this multi-avatar animation.
This is so cool. Look how smoothly the lips sync.
I've never seen an AI animate 9 people at once before.
Hey, looks like we're all being animated at the same time.
No way. Our voices and lip sync are totally on point.
All right, team. Let's show them how smooth AI animation can be.
If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.